Next one up is 2014 Panini Limited. Had to substitute this one because I think we had totally certified on the agenda, but they were sold out. So had to sub in 2014 Limited. Gonna have just one pack, empty box. Gonna have 3 hits, at least one auto. 2014 Limited. I don't know. There's a couple base. Alright. Got the hits on the back now. I think everything's numbered. I think this one's a parallel. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys out of 49. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys out of 49. Yep, there's a base. Jay Cutler base out of 399 for the Bears. Jay Cutler. Pierre Thomas base for the Saints out of 399. Pierre Thomas. And I think the autos or the hits are going to start now. And the first one is an auto. For the Bucks, Eric Page. Eric Page, limited ink. Numbered out of 50. Not the greatest player. Actually, don't even know if he's in the league anymore. Eric Page for the Bucks. A nice low number though, out of 50. Autograph. Next one's a thick one. Oh, nice. A jumbo patch. For the Giants, Andre Williams. Number 25 out of 25. Jumbo patch, 2-color. Andre Williams for the Giants. Nice one. And the last one is going to be nice. A quad jersey. Quarterback quad. We got Bortles, Manziel, Bridgewater, and Derek Carr. All teams represented once. I'm going to go to the team in the top left. That one is Blake Bortles and the Jaguars. Quad jersey out of 50. Nice one. Jaguars get that one. So that does it. Quick pack. Panini Limited.